Welcome to my live stream recap. This morning on the live stream, I traded for about an hour and a half. Had 3 trades total. We're going to go and dive into those right now. All right. Yesterday ended up being a pretty solid trading day, in my opinion. Or at least it was solid for the way that I trade. Definitely enjoyed. Today, basically an open and push, huh? I mean, we pushed. I looked at the overnight session last night and it was up like 100 points. And then I guess we dipped a little bit to like 930 and now it's up another 100 points. And look, now we're at the top of the range. So we faked out the bottom of the range here, closed within it, another little fake out, and now we pushed the top of the range. And remember, after we had traded at 950 yesterday, which is what I had called out on the Top Step stream, 955, I think technically is what I had called out. After we trade 955, when we're going back up to push that on the overnight session, we should already assume that we will not probably stop there because we already, the first test is the best test, right? So then we were talking about 1620s is what I had written in the Discord. And look where we're at, 1630. So pretty interesting spot up here, in my opinion. We're up almost a percentage point on this session. I don't know if we can, I mean, we can always pump higher, right? There's a lot of volume though, and a lot of interest up here in like the 16,100 range from now till then. I'll be watching for that. I'll also be watching for rotations back down. So we'll kind of see what happens, be patient with it, and execute the best that we can. Watch liquidity, etc. Right? Like right now, the tilt is 82% on the NASDAQ, right into VWAP. 82% long on the tilt, right? To me, that's a slap. That's slap worthy, right? But like, why is there that many long up here at the highs? I'm gonna take a short here. I'm a minute and a half early. 82% long on the tilt though. I rarely see it. And look, that full wick test trade would have played out with no stop loss. You would have gotten long at 72 with a stop at 53 or whatever, 15 points. And then rotation into 87 would be the full trade there. So nice wick test on the crude oil. Everything checked out. It's a little scary. You would have gotten close to getting stopped out, but if you held to it, looked good. 84% now long on the tilt. Pretty aggressive. Average long from 54 and a half. This is more what I would like to see a settlement. Value area high, probably we'll see a little bounce, but we already kind of rounded out there for the huge move. So I think if we go back down and test it, we probably go for settlement. Needs to get through this cluster though at 46. Still at 84% long in the NAS. 200 block or 150 is at 45 there. Coming in for new lows on the session. We're close. Go ahead and just put a break even stop in here. Actually, I'm going to do this instead. I did not mean to buy that. I got to kill the trade. I did not mean to do that. I wanted a bracket order. And I accidentally did a sell bracket order instead of a buy bracket order. And I don't know how to exit out of it when I do that. That is so unfortunate. I take 10 points there because I take a 5-point loss on that. Very unfortunate. I wanted to put a bracket in so I didn't have to worry about anything. I should have clicked buy OCO, not sell OCO, because I was already in a sell. And I tried to escape out of it and I didn't know. I'll take my 10 points. Whenever you're adding a contract that you don't want to add, what's the best thing to do though? Probably kill it. Maybe I made the right decision anyways, but whatever. Kind of annoying. Tilt is now 55% long on the NAS. Crude oil tilt is at 70% long. Nice slap on crude oil. Remember, we don't trade the wick test after this though, right? This was the first test of the wick test and that was the best one. I'm gonna open up trading view so I can see what that looks like. So I'm up 200 bucks on the session. Should have been like 400 bucks, but whatever. On to the next. We take our base hits, yeah? This is pretty choppy to me. Chad, how are y'all trading this? I mean, we're still in the same range that we were in at 835. Or yeah, 835 was the start of this candle. We're still in the same freaking range. We had one little sweep, but that's it. We are kind of messing around through VWAP. Delta looks decent. 78% long is not nothing on the NQ, especially on a rotational day. 79% now as we approach value area high. The question is, do we sweep these or not? I mean, if we get to 76, we sweep 80 very quickly, and that's probably what I should be getting long at. It would be the stop run of this candle here. Or excuse me, getting short at, not long, getting short at. 82% long now on the NASDAQ tilt. I'm just gonna go ahead and take one here. I'm short 69. If we do get the pool into 77, I'll look at shorts at 81 as well. Like this. But at 82% long on the tilt, at the top of a range on a rotational day, I want to be short. So I don't need the extra. I mean, I would love the extra points, obviously, but I'd rather participate in the move and take a little bit of heat than not participate in the move. So, personal preference there. And now I'm targeting, you know, bottom of the range, 45. Do we sweep lower? Maybe, but pretty solid exit in my opinion. It's like 25 points almost. 24 points just from the top to bottom of the range. Okay, so I'm probably not going to get that. I'm not going to get that 81 fill. Go and take that order off. Now I just wait for this one to fill out at 45. 5 more points lower. And very close there. And I'm out. I might get filled there, but I don't want to be a dick for a tick. So it's within a point. I'm just going to take it. Got out at 47. Ended up getting the whole thing. It's nice. Good trade, in my opinion. Pretty solid, safe trade. I don't even know if I took drawdown. I must have taken like 3 points of drawdown or something for a 25-point winner. Just about 25 points. Up 655 on the session. Drop some bags for the low effort trade. Low effort trades are the best. If you're watching, make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. We're at 310. We need 100 more to get lit. Nice, easy, quick trade though. Not easy, but no low effort. No trading is ever easy, but nice low effort trade. Wow, nice flush into settlement. That's a 60-point trade. Savage. And like pretty fast. Damn, top ticked that short, huh? Jeez. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. 80 points. Maybe one more kick up and then a little micro flush. This kind of looks a little toppy to me. Kind of looking like we're trying to roll over on the 1 minute as well. Delta looks a little flat. Let's see what happens, like 27 or whatever with a 33 stop maybe. Can be kind of interesting. Something like that. There's enough in there for me to want to get the short if we get the push. I just this tiny little open wick might have been the push. So we'll see. I'm short 1. Giving it like 6 points or so. They kind of just ate that block. I'm going to take this off. I don't want to see us push 38. I just didn't want to see like a little run here at 32. The way they ate that block. Got 77 at 16 and 67 at 36. Bottom of the range, 15 looks pretty solid to me. That being said, also this move down into 05 also looks pretty solid to me. Watch and see if we snap for the 05 rotation or not. New little open, quick little push. 56% short on the NQ tilt. Nothing crazy there. Wicks get run a lot, so I am definitely watching this right now because we're kind of getting stopped at the exact same spot, 930s over and over again. And wicks get run a lot. So I want to see what happens at 15 with hopefully a quick slap into 05. Pop the prior high and the other high. So that would be the run. I want to see us reject now. If we can get back below 30, it'll look good to me. If we can't close below 30, then it's a no-go. So 10 points down. Delta's pretty flat though. 61% long in the NQ. So now it's like, if we close up, kill the trade. If we close down, keep it open, because we ran all those, what I would call running stops, at least. The stops I care about, which was this prior high stop where I originally had all my stuff. So now close below 30, I stay in, close above it, probably get out. Pretty simple. And I would have given up, what, 10 points of heat in order to make 20. I want to stay heavy, though. We got 1 minute left on this candle. Again, I kind of want to just see us close below 30. Ideally below the blue line algo, right? Closing below 15 is real juicy, but 10 points in 50 seconds and today in this current action is meh. Not gonna call it not possible, but unlikely. Tilt rising. It's at 52% short now. So basically 50-50. Nothing crazy. All right, new candle just opened up. So now, in my opinion, like rerunning this level is no good. Since we already cleaned out those wicks. If we go back up into 40, I think we probably push like 70. So I'm going to have my stop there now. So I'll risk what is that? 13, 12 and a half points in order to make 20 or so. I want to continue flush unless the price action just looks like dog poop. But it is definitely slow. Yeah, definitely at least want to see us trade 15. Haven't even done that yet. Well, kind of pushing, huh? Yeah, I might get stopped out. Straight up. Doesn't look crazy strong, and that's typically when we push it, so. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna go and call it there. I really don't like those types of candles. So whenever we have like, I mean, last candle super heavy, slapped, and then we run the prior high. So 2 winners, 1 loser. Up $400 in an hour and 20 minutes. I will take it. And I'm gonna call it there. Yeah, look at this. And we slap all the way back down. Yeah, I'm not interested in that.